Namaste, welcome back to Sthita Pragna channel and welcome back to one more episode of AWS Card Clash, which is an architecture design card game. So far we have finished 8 architecture designs and today we are going to do our ninth one, which is going to be about serverless container-based APIs, wherein we are going to design an architecture to build a serverless solution which provides highly available HTTP request routing to expose container-based APIs and user authentication. And the services we are going to use, or the serverless services we are going to use as part of this architecture design, are API Gateway, Cloud Map, Cognito, DynamoDB, ECS, Fargate. And we are going to use two security cards, IAM and security group. Let's click start. And the reason I recommend you to do this is if you are doing cloud practitioner, let's say this is really helpful because each of these cards you can learn more about it just by clicking on them. I showed this, add on question mark, it will give you detailed explanation about that particular service, which will really help with your cloud practitioner exam, trust me. And this also gives you an overview of how these services fits in so that will make you remember it more. Cloud practitioner exam is an exam where it will only ask, okay, if you want to do this, which service, you want to do that, which service, that's it. Sometimes you won't be able to remember because there are about more than 100 services. But when you look at these architecture diagrams, then obviously you will be able to remember more than you learning them individually. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Anyways, so if you look at this one, so you have your mobile phone here and access token, you are going to get it from implement secure frictionless customer identity and access management that scales. I'm assuming this is that what is that service they showed? um, Map them, some cloud map. And then you are going to have your API gateway here, and then you are going to have managed mapping of back. Oh, I think the cloud map is going to be here. What is it? Not sure what service. Is it Cognito? Then API is going to trigger your containers. As you can see, both are here, serverless compute containers. And table, I'm assuming it will be DynamoDB, NoSQL database. So this is a simple orchestra, architecture diagram. So let's go ahead and see that. For containers, we'll use Fargate. So I don't have any security cards, even though I have all these, I don't have any security cards. So I think I can scrap these because they are common cards we'll get again. When you don't have security cards, you can risk and play it. He might steal it. The AI will steal it if he has it. See, if I place DynamoDB, he would have easily stolen it. If I get a security card, I will steal his DynamoDB table. Why? I told you, whenever you get a chance, always steal his. That way, you will get the points, he will lose the points. If you want to win these games, that's how you are going to do. Lambda, I don't think we have Lambda. Okay, for orchestration, what are we using here? Is it step functions? No, no, I don't think so. ECS, since it's Fargate containers. Yep, we will use ECS for orchestration of containers. See, we don't get that many. Okay, nice. Yeah, it's Cognito. Yeah, I was correct there. Oh, I cannot steal any of his. I wish I could have. Okay, let's use Cloud Map. Let's secure it. Let's end the turn here. Place something. Place something. Oh, he protected it very bad. We can still steal his Fargate. Oh, Miss Gorilla is going to destroy it anyways. Ha ha ha. Cloud Map, we already placed it. Uh, Cognito. I wish I could steal some of his services, but I don't see any. Yeah, that's ECS, right? Yeah. Come on, no energy? See, this is what I talk about. These guys. DynamoDB is done. Cloud map is done. ECS is there, but I cannot steal it. I would need 5 energy. See, he will always get the energy. See, +3. If he don't give me +3 energy, I'm going to be angry now. Wow, again no energy. This is definitely, how many points is this? 4. This is 4. Oh no. And I don't have Fargate, huh? No. I can place a card, but he might steal it. What should I do? Should I steal his card? Let's try. Oh, I don't have 4. Never mind. We don't have an option. See, 2 rounds I didn't get a single point of energy. See, he's getting nicely +3, +2. Oh no, he protected it. We have same cards now. This is very bad. Finally, he's like, okay, let me give you some. No, can I use security group? I cannot. Oh, that's bad. Scrap this. Oh my goodness. Let's hope he doesn't steal it. For Fargate, we can use that, I guess. Let's hope he doesn't get that. He has plenty of energy. Okay, he didn't get it. Good. Oh no, ours is gone. I didn't think Miss Gorilla is that close. I can place, oh, I already played. Okay. I can place another one, but he will finish the round, which I don't want to be done yet because that will give me 12 and it will give him 8. Oh, he has plenty of energy. Now, if I get a security group, I will steal his. Oh, I got one. Okay, that's nice. DynamoDB, we don't need it. I can steal his, but again, it. Okay, anyways, he's going to play that, I guess. API gateway, huh? We don't need IAM for this one last one, I guess. Let's, fingers crossed, let's hope he won't get it. He has plenty of energy. Yeah, he don't have API gateway. Thank you. I hope I get it. And I didn't get it. I think right now it's like whoever gets wins the game, I guess. No, we already won. Fingers crossed, don't give it to him. Yeah, he didn't get it. So is it going to be me? Yes, it's going to be me. This is unnecessary, but yeah. Yes, we won. We won, everyone. So as I mentioned, you use Cognito to get authenticated into your app, and then you are going to have hit your API. Okay, and there is this map which maps, I guess, to some other resources, and then you are going to, whenever you call this pets or foods, it is going to hit the containers, and you are using ECS to orchestrate those containers, and either it will read or write, depending on whatever that is, into DynamoDB in the both cases. I hope you enjoyed this architecture, and as usual, we rocked. We got 75%, and we spent a little more energy than him, and we stole. It's us all the time. We are not giving him a chance to steal at all. If you give a chance, he will definitely still remember. So stealing is the success to get 3 stars. If you are playing this game, you would have already known. So leave me in the comments like, are you enjoying this game? Um, are you getting 3 stars? Whatever it is, Tell me in the comments. I'm interested to know how you guys are feeling about this. I think that's about it. Let's see one more in the next video. And thank you very much for hanging out here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.